Hello and welcome to Berdu.id's channel. In today's video, we'll demonstrate how to build a donation website or create a fundraising page on your existing website. You can also set the minimum and maximum donation amounts according to your needs. This feature is perfect for social campaigns, donation programs, or community fundraising. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Berdu's channel to get access to hundreds of tutorials. Click the like button and turn on the notification bell. First, we need to activate the donation system on Berdu. Go to Apps and search for the donation app. Click Use, then check the box to enable the donation system. Once done, click Save. Next, we need to create a donation product. On the left sidebar, go to Products. Select Donation Products. Click Create a Donation. Now, enter the campaign or donation name you want to raise. Then, set the minimum and maximum donation limits. For example, for the minimum donation is $1 and for the maximum donation is $100,000. Now, click Save. Let's configure how the donation system will appear on the website. Go to the layout. You can add it to your homepage or in custom pages. Here, I've prepared a sample donation page. Add a new section and search for the donation section. The donation section will appear here. Click Done, then drag it to the desired position. Once placed, go back to the settings. In the Form section, we can now select the donation product we just created. If you have multiple donation products, they will all be listed here. Next, let's set up the Thank You page destination. After completing the payment, donors can be redirected to Order Invoice, Local Page, WhatsApp, Telegram, and more. Or even you can redirect to a custom thank you page. For more tutorial, you can check on the description box below. For now, I'll choose Order Invoice. Next, you can also add custom fields that donors can fill out. For example, name field and also phone number field. You can also choose whether these fields are mandatory or optional. Once done, click Done. Just like other form sections, you can customize the appearance of this donation section. You can modify name color, text color, content color, or even outline color. The form width can also be adjusted to match your website layout. Additionally, you can customize font size, font type, text size, and other elements to fit your website's theme. The Done button settings allow you to customize the default button text and color. If you'd like, you can change the default text and add the icon to make it more visually appealing. Once finished, click Done, then Save. Now, let's check the page and test the donation form. The donation form is now visible. Enter the donation amount. Fill in the name and phone number fields. And click Donate Now. Donors will then see the bank account details for the transfer. Once they've made the payment, they just need to confirm their donation. That's it for this tutorial. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to Berdu.id's channel for more tutorials. Also, follow our social media accounts for more interesting content. See you in the next video.